Yo, what is up, you guys? We're back at it with another video today. Today we're gonna be unboxing the LG soundbar, the Slay. I got this today from Best Buy. I spent like $149 on it. Got an old soundbar, it's high live. Had it probably for probably around 5 to 6 years today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I hope the soundbar is good. I don't have an LG TV. I do have a TCL TV today. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this mug works for it. I've been hearing a little bit of mixed reviews from it. Some people say that they don't like it because it has a remote. It doesn't matter. It's a remote control. You got the TV remote. Live with it. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So, looks like this right here comes with like a sound bar. Then I guess a subwoofer perhaps. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see. So this real boxed up really well and everything. Looks like we got some little stuff right here. Let's see. Alright, cool. So it looks like this right here is going to be what's used to be powering this device up today. Little pretty little thing, you know. Another brick. I got an Xbox, so hey, they ain't got nothing on these bricks. Then we got like, let's see what kind of wire this is. Looks like this might be the second plug-in with the adapter for it, actually. Then we got the little nice mouse, the remote control that everybody was complaining about. I mean, like, I'll show you guys the remote control I have right now for my iLive. This right here looks so much better. Like this. Let's go ahead and see that right quick. Alright. Go ahead and move this crap out the way right quick. Looks like we got some mounting stuff right here as well. I'm not going to open this shit because I may put this on the wall. Let's see. Alright. Wow. Took me too long to get this open. So, let's see. Alright, then here we go. I think this right here may be. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. Yep. Oh my. Yo, this is beautiful. It is classic. But you can't tell it's plastic unless you one of them real picky people. Like, it got a nice weight on it and everything. I like this. I like this a lot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this right on the wall most likely. Put it right there behind the TVs. Put this to the side real quick. Let's open up the big boy. I need scissors to be back with it right here. So here go that big old brick. I'm digging this too. Got the same little nice sleek style with it. This can go real good with any type of leather that you guys have at home or anything. So as of right now, I think I am recommending this product. Looks real nice. I'm gonna get this mug cooked up, and we're gonna probably do a test down on it as well. Let's see if we got anything else in the box. And no, that's everything in the box. So there you go. We got the LG Slay soundbar system right now on sale for $149. $149 without the Black Friday sale. I think that normally it was like $229 perhaps, or $299 at that perhaps. $149, you get 2 speakers, 2 of them. LG, life is good. What can we say? Hey, I'm digging it. Hey, This that splash. Everything we be saying. I like this right here. So yeah, there we go. Alright, you guys, so yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell because we will be doing some more tech releases real soon. I'm planning on buying me a gaming computer real soon as well. I'll spend a couple thousands on that perhaps. So yeah, just stay tuned and we're going to get us some more of these real soon, y'all. Alright, peace out.